Today we're going to make eggplant in the air fryer. First you want to start off with the eggplant, and I use this Asian style eggplant. It's thin instead of the round egg-shaped eggplant. Chop up your eggplants into medallion size, and you see these thin ones, they have no seeds, so it's all flesh. Then add some olive oil. And I'm going to use some smoky barbecue rub on it today. And this is what it looks like. And here's the ingredients. And you want to use about a quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon. And then just stir and toss up your eggplant. Make sure the seasoning covers all of them. Next, place your eggplant in your air fryer basket and make sure they're not touching. And set your air fryer to 360 degrees for 8 minutes. After cook, your eggplant should look like this, and they should have a nice and golden brown edges. And make a dipping sauce for your eggplant. Use a tablespoon of sour cream. A dash of tapatio. Some stone ground mustard. And a dash of Worcestershire sauce. You want to mix this up. And here's your dipping sauce. And here's your eggplant. Put in some dipping sauce. Try it. So here's your eggplant and dipping sauce, and I do recommend trying it. It's quite tasty, and enjoy.